BDT, Beretta Defense Technologies, one of my favorite booths at Enforce Tac 2024 with one of my favorite people. You guys know him, international celebrity, Jarno. You guys remember my videos from the Beretta Museum. Jarno knows everything that there is to know about any Beretta gun ever made. I come over here, I'm looking at all the guns that they have on the walls. I've seen a lot of these guns, but what caught my eye, I said, is that like a little tiny grenade launcher? Jarno said yes, and he said, I'll tell you all about it. Jarno, what is this?
Thanks to everybody. First of all, this is the Beretta grenade launcher in 40 by 46 millimeter, single action only, can be loaded from the back of the barrel in order to keep one ammunition in 40 millimeter. So double action, we say the safety on the frame. So this has the capability to shoot to the distance with the precision of 400 meters. This is the standalone configuration, but you can easily detach the stock in order to get mounted underneath the barrel of the assault rifle. One of the benefits to choose BDT is that we can also create a platform or another solution provider, BDT, in order to adapt this one to different interfaces or different platforms that are not from the Beretta made.
Super lightweight. Jarno, how much does this weigh? Do you know?
The weight is approximately 1 kilo.
Oh, God,
Is 1 kilo. So adding to the assault rifles, it's gonna be 4 kilos totally. Grenade launcher plus the assault rifle. We have to remind also to the people that the grenade launcher is very effective in case of armored vehicle. With this one you can stop it because it has an effective, very high stopping power.
Can I keep this one to test in the United States? I'll take this one with me back in the airplane?
Yeah, they have it in the Beretta USA. I don't know if you can use it in the place you want to use it, but by the way, you can have it.
This stock looks shockingly similar to the Benelli M4 stock. Is it the same?
It's not really the same, but it's a solution that we hereditate from our sister company Benelli. Telescopic stock that can be adjusted onto a different position, and it also features an aluminum barrel because you don't need with the grenades to have a steel barrel, and this also is there for the benefit of a lightweight weapon that can be easily carried on the shoulder or directly attached to the rifle.
How long has this been in production?
This one has been conceived in 2008, first provided to the Italian Armed Forces and also abroad, as I told you, adapted to different platforms as our competitors' gun that they could not have the possibility to have an interface or a Picatinny rail, so we try to create a solution in order to provide our grenade launcher and to be fitted and suitable for the different assault rifles, also not being Beretta ones.
Jarno, have you shot this before?
Not me, but I saw the shot. You can use less than lethal ammunition.
Yeah, sure.
You can use explosive ammunition.
That sounds more fun.
Flammant ones, in order that you can create a different aggressive context for obviously always the defense.
Next time I'm in Gardone, me and you, I won't come back unless me and you get to shoot this together.
We can also do open air, outdoor, please.
Well, Jarno, thank you so much for being on the program again. It's always a treat to have you, and the accent is, you know, just when you describe, Jarno, I'm going to get you to walk around with me next show. We're just going to, any grenade launcher, even from other companies, I want you to talk about it. With your accent, it's perfect. It makes it sound so much more refined. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Take care. Stay tuned for more Enforce Tac.